Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for a creamy Cajun chicken. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So now we take a couple of chicken breasts and we just slice them through the middle. This is just to thin them out so it's easier for them to cook. Now that our chicken is butterflied, we're just going to set it to the side and we're going to make a Cajun seasoning. So we start off with some paprika, some onion powder, some garlic powder, dried oregano, dried thyme, and some cayenne pepper. Just give that a mix around and we'll set it to the side. Now we'll bring in our butterflied chicken breasts and we'll just take half the seasoning and we'll rub it into either side of the chicken breasts. So now that our chicken's seasoned, we're going to go over to a frying pan. We're going to pop it onto a medium heat and we're going to spray it with some low calorie cooking oil. We'll put our chicken breasts in and we'll cook them until they're brown on both sides. It's approximately 5 minutes on each side. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make further videos for you. So now that our chicken's cooked, we're just going to remove it and set it to the side. Now to the same frying pan we're going to add some peppers, some crushed garlic, and we're going to fry that off for a couple of minutes. Now that they're cooked, we're just going to add the rest of the seasoning from the Cajun spices, some tomato puree, some chicken stock, and some cream cheese. Now we'll just give it a stir around and let it cook just until all the cheese is melted. Now we'll put our chicken breast back in and we'll put that on. We'll let it simmer for about 10 minutes just until the chicken's fully cooked and the sauce is thickened up. As you can see, the sauce is thick, it's changed colour. We're going to add some Parmesan cheese. We'll just stir that until all the cheese is melted. Then we'll season it with some salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Again, give that a stir around, just get everything incorporated. And now our Cajun chicken pasta is ready to serve. I like to serve mine just on top of some penne pasta, but you can serve it with some potatoes or some salad. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, again, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you in my further videos.